What's up, boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered this month with ZoomX, who are offering a 20% cashback on sign up and deposit on their platform. Deposit $100 and get $20 back just for signing up. Absolutely incredible deal. Make sure to take advantage below, along with our other exchange partnerships. Let's get into the video. So just taking a quick look at Dogecoin then on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. As we can see, Dogecoin right now looking like it's stuck under a bit of a trend line. If you look at the 1 hour, you can see we are basically forming this really nice area of liquidity to go and sweep pretty soon. You can see we've tapped into this area quite a few times now, and you probably expect this to break pretty soon when you look at what Bitcoin's doing. If you look at the hourly time frame on Bitcoin, you can see we had a really nice area of liquidity being formed here. We came down, we swept the low down here to generate some more momentum to the upside. We came down, swept, and pretty much excuse me, pretty much V-shape recovered to the upside here, as you can see. And then basically looking like, to be honest, we've got a lot of liquidity above here that we could go and sweep. I think with the momentum of coming and taking this liquidity below here, and with which the way that this is printed back to the upside, we're looking like really we're probably going to come and sweep all of this liquidity out and head back towards the all-time high this week, in my opinion, provided that obviously we don't have a crazy open. Since some more uprising, some more unsettled stuff going on in the news for the US as well, which is obviously affecting the US stock market, which in turn is affecting Bitcoin, which in turn is affecting Dogecoin. But you can see here Dogecoin really forming a nice area of liquidity. This trend line liquidity here is getting ready, in my opinion, to get swept to the upside. Everyone's obviously thinking this trend line to the downside's been holding. Lots of people will be shorting here, thinking that we're going to go lower. I think, to be honest, soon we're probably going to see Bitcoin, especially when you look at Bitcoin, it's already created that big, nice V-shape. Dogecoin did to an extent here. You can see we have got that V-shape, but we've kind of been trickling to the downside. So I think if Bitcoin comes up and does something like this, which I think is entirely possible this week, we'll obviously see Dogecoin doing something similar, provided that obviously Bitcoin doesn't have a massive dump when the US market opens. You could see here Dogecoin, in my opinion, looking like it's much more likely to be reversing from this area than it is to be continuing to the downside. But obviously if Bitcoin continues to chop the market up, that is possible. Obviously we've come down, we've swept this level of liquidity here, V-shaped back up. We've obviously tapped into this Fibonacci level here, which is, if I look at my daily time frame, the 038, I believe. Oh no, it's the 050, because Dogecoin is incredibly high up compared to a lot of altcoins. Overall, the macro for Dogecoin looking really nice as well. You can see higher highs and higher lows. This is just probably in the back test before the continuation of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the upside, in my opinion. You can see Dogecoin really starting to accelerate away here, come down for a back test. Obviously I think this is just because Bitcoin has dragged the market down yet again, and I'd be expecting some more upside soon as long as Bitcoin behaves. Joining me again today for another video. Make sure to go down below and sign up for ZoomX to get your 20% bonus, and get involved with all of our other partnerships offering bonuses as well. Thanks a lot for watching.